Hey, jsolari here. This is March 3rd. We're doing the update for Unconventional Insights inventory statistics. So let's get started. Hopefully we can get all our streams working today. We're still struggling with getting our Periscope up to work, but this has been on YouTube and Streamcast. So let's begin. So we had another week of historical highs and back-to-back increases off of historical highs. So the interesting part of this is that this is all in the face of an increasing WTI price. As of this stream, we were looking at about $53.16 a barrel for WTI. So if we get a closer look at this data, so we look a little more than year to date, actually starting in December, we go through here, you can see our WTI price is, it's actually off of last week's numbers, you remember, because with the data we're using is about a week old. But this is in the face of an increasing week over week where we're at 520 million barrels of oil, excluding the strategic petroleum reserves. I mean, this is a lot of oil, and it's building on top of the highs that we saw when we were down in the $30 a barrel range. And this is all driving a 13-week trailing average, which is getting momentum. And you can see the 52-week is never really taken a break for the last year. So if we look at our momentum chart, again, this is really just looking at acceleration or deceleration of these different indexes. We're really seeing some strength around the oil price, even in the face of these other indicators showing acceleration. We'd love to see our inventory numbers go negative and drop and really carve into this inventory that we've built up over time. And I think that if that happened, we would really see some significant price improvement and certainty around this $50 number being stable. But without that, there's going to be this overhang of another price drop and revisiting some of the lows we've seen before. So keep an eye on that, and I think the best place where you can keep an eye on that is to keep tuning into these videos. I'd certainly love to see some folks check in during the stream. I see I've got one person watching. But if we can get more, that'd be great. And I'm here for your comments. If you've got a comment, please send it in, and either we'll address it online or if you email it to jsolari at cuxllc.com, and I'll put it in the comments. I'll make sure that in the following week I go to answer those questions for you and maybe even pull some data together to support my answer. So again, thanks for tuning in, and for those that have tuned into the live stream, and for those that follow up later on and watch the video, please don't forget to like this page and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Have a great weekend.